Cashify is an online platform to sell buy refurbished or old phones and electronic accessories including repair services. It is operated by Manak Waste Management Private Limited with a registered office in New Delhi. At Cashify stores or online marketplace, other gadgets are also available such as laptops, smartwatches, and other wearable electronics products. Major services of Cashify. Buy sell old electronic products. Repair services with doorstep pickup through an authorized service center. Bulk selling, business, buyback, exchange, or trade-in programs. Cashify Partner Program. Want to file a complaint with Cashify? You can register a complaint about electronics products, repairs, buyback exchange, or payments to the customer service team. For this, call the Cashify customer care number, email WhatsApp, or lodge your complaint online to Cashify. If not resolved, request the executives to escalate the disputed matter to the head of customer care or Nodal Officer. Still, not resolved? If your concern is not resolved to your satisfaction, then escalate the complaint to the appointed grievance officer for Cashify at Manak Waste Management Pvt. Ltd. How to file a complaint to Cashify? According to Cashify's customer service policy, the complaint resolution process has two levels. If your initial concern is not addressed by the level 1 customer support, escalate it to the next level of authority for further assistance and resolution. Grievance redressal mechanism. Registration fee. Levels of lodging complaint. Level 1. Customer care, Cashify. Toll-free customer service number. Email WhatsApp. Register an online complaint. Cashify app. Level 2. Grievance Officer for Cashify, Manak Waste Management Pvt. Ltd. You can also request the customer support team to escalate any unresolved complaints to the head of Cashify customer service for internal resolution. Note: if you are not happy with the resolution of Cashify, file a complaint to the National Consumer Helpline of the Department of Consumer Affairs. They can help if your consumer rights are violated. If you prefer another option, you can start arbitration with the company to resolve any business or consumer disputes internally using the Alternative Dispute Resolution (ADR) mechanism. Level 1. Customer care, Cashify. If you face any problems with Cashify, like buying or selling electronics, payments, getting repairs, or participating in bulk selling, you can complain by calling our toll-free number, sending an email, or using WhatsApp. For a quicker solution, submit your complaint online. Provide necessary details like order or transaction IDs, nature of the complaint, warranty info, if applicable, a clear description of the problem with documents like invoices or images of products, if needed. Remember the assigned reference ticket number after filing this complaint. If the issue continues, you can escalate it further. Cashify customer care number. Customer helpline numbers and email of Cashify. Cashify complaint number. +917 900 68900. WhatsApp. +919 330 303035. Email. support@cashify.in. Customer care number, by phones. +919 319 697 Email. store@cashify.in. Warranty or return. +918 448 Email. return@cashify.in. For the issues related to Cashify Partner Program, you may email at partner@cashify.in with your concerns. File an online complaint. Official details to register your complaint online to Cashify. Tip: beware of scams. Don't share bank personal details. Use only the official Cashify app for help. Stay safe. Level 2. Grievance Officer for Cashify, Manak Waste Management PVT, Ltd. In adherence to the IT Act 2000 and E-Commerce Rules 2020, Manak Waste Management Private Limited has appointed a nodal grievance officer for Cashify to manage disputes related to its e-commerce platform. If your initial complaints, covering aspects like privacy or trademark disputes, are unsatisfactorily resolved at level 1, you can escalate the matter to the designated nodal officer or chief executive officer, CEO, at Cashify. When submitting your written complaint letter or email, please make sure to include the following details. Reference ticket number from the previous level 1 complaint. Order ID. Reason for dissatisfaction. Your expected resolution from Cashify. Description of the disputed matter along with supporting documents like images of products, items, invoices, or any other relevant evidence. To file your grievance to CEO, send an email at ceo@cashify.in. For complaints related to Cashify services, you may contact Manak Waste Management PVT Limited at Designation Grievance Officer, Cashify. Email ceo@cashify.in, manoj.k@cashify.in. Address Grievance Officer, Cashify, Manak Waste Management Private Limited, House, first floor, plot number 35, sector 44, Gurugram, 122002, Haryana. Not resolved to your satisfaction by Cashify. You may file complaints with the respective regulatory authorities or take legal action. Legal authorities, Consumer Commission. If your concerns with Cashify are not resolved by their grievance officer or head office of Manak Waste Management Private Limited and you're still unhappy, you have some legal options to consider. National Consumer Helpline, NCH. If you're not satisfied, you can file an informal consumer complaint against Cashify with the National Consumer Helpline. You can call them or use an online form. They can also help with arbitration if needed. Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, NCDRC. E-Dakhil. If NCH doesn't solve it for you, you can make a formal complaint online to the Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, also known as the Consumer Court, through E-Dakhil. Internal Agreement. For business-related issues, you can choose the internal arbitration with Cashify to resolve the disputed matter internally. Legal action. If none of the above works, you might need to consult a legal expert for advice on further steps. You can take legal action against Cashify if necessary. Online court filing. File a case online by e-filing to district high courts. Get legal advice. Before taking any big legal steps, it's smart to get advice from a legal professional. Make sure you understand your rights and options well. Remember, going the legal route is a serious move. Always seek advice from a trusted lawyer or legal expert before taking such steps.